Hey, boys and girls, this is Mr. Winchell back with you for Splash Class number 4 through our Healthy Schools, Healthy Communities curriculum. Today's lesson is where food comes from. So last week we talked a little bit about snacks. We talked about how to identify snacks into the food groups. And your healthy homework assignment from last week was to have somebody at home pick a healthy snack for you to eat. So I'm interested in what you picked. Was it fruit? Was it vegetables? Was it grain? Was it a dairy? Was it a protein? Today we're going to talk a little bit about vegetables and parts of the plant. So a vegetable, much like us, has different parts. So we have head, and we have a neck, and we have shoulder, and arms, and torso, and legs, and feet. A plant has different parts too. So a plant has seeds, it has roots, it has stems, it has leaves, it has flowers, and it has fruit. So there are basically 6 parts of the plant, and we actually eat all those parts. So I'm going to show you some common vegetables and fruit that we like to eat, and I want you to try to identify what part of the plant it is. Okay, let's start with broccoli. I think everybody knows what broccoli is. What part of the plant do you think broccoli is? Broccoli is actually the flower of the plant. So flowers are the reproductive part of the plant where the fruit grows. All right, these are radishes. What part of the plant do you think radishes are? Radishes are actually part of the root. So roots act like straws bringing water and nutrients from the soil. Roots also help keep the plant stable. Root vegetables always grow underground. All right, next here, this is cabbage. What part of the plant do you think cabbage is? Cabbage is the leaf of the plant. When sunlight shines on leaves, the plant makes food for itself. This is called photosynthesis. All right, how about carrots? What part of the plant do you think a carrot is? Carrot is a root vegetable also. All right, this is celery. What part of the plant do you think celery is? Celery is the stem of the plant. The stem supports the plant. It also provides the pathway for water to go to from the roots to the leaves. All right, next we have corn. What part of the plant do you think corn is? Corns are the seeds. This is where the new plant grows from. All right, one that's not on here is a strawberry. What part of the plant do you think a strawberry is? Strawberry is the flower. So flowers, like I said, are the reproductive part of the plant. Okay, very good. Next, I'm going to show you some different vegetables, and I want you to tell me what part of the plant it is. All right, first on our very low corner left, we got our broccoli. So what part of the plant is broccoli? Broccoli is the flower. Good. All right, let's go around clockwise. Next, we have a carrot. What part of the plant is a carrot? Carrot is the root. All right, next we have one of my favorite, asparagus. What part of the plant is asparagus? Asparagus is the stem. Next, we have cabbage. What part of the plant is a cabbage? Cabbage is the leaf. Good. Next, we have a red, ripe, juicy strawberry. What part of the plant is a strawberry? Strawberries are the flower of the plant. Good. Next, we have beans. What part of the plant is a bean? A bean is a seed. Good. Next, we have peas. What part of the plant is a pea? Pea is also a seed. And last but not least, we have a red, juicy tomato. What part of the plant is a tomato? Right, tomato is the flower or fruit. All right, so hopefully today we've had some vegetables. So I want you to think of a vegetable you had for maybe breakfast, lunch, snack. What part of the plant was that you ate? So think of your hopefully healthy snack you had today. What part of the plant was it that you ate? All right, going back to a plant, what do you think happens to a plant if it loses its leaves? The plant gets a lot of its nutrients from its leaves, so a lot of times if the leaves fall off a plant, it probably is going to die, right? All right, so here is your healthy homework assignment for today. I want you to go into your refrigerator, pick out any fruit or vegetable, and I want you to identify what part of the plant it is. All right, so pick a healthy vegetable, fruit out of your fridge and identify what part of the plant it is. One more thing before we go, I'm going to identify some of my favorite vegetables, and I want you to tell me what part of the plant it is. All right, so one of my go-to snacks is carrots. Anybody know what part of the vegetable a carrot is? Hopefully you said root. All right, another one of my favorite veggies is asparagus. What part of the plant is asparagus? Asparagus is the stem. All right, another one of my favorite vegetables is cucumbers. Any idea what part of the plant a cucumber is? Cucumber is the flower. Very good. All right, so I really enjoyed talking to you today about plants, parts of the plants. What I want you to do is make sure you do your healthy homework. So get in that fridge and find something and identify what part of the plant it is. All right, boys and girls, we will see everybody next time for Splash Class number 5. Make sure you're staying active, getting your 60 minutes of activity in every day, and hopefully we are eating healthy snacks from our fruits and learn a little bit about the different parts of the plant. All right, we will see you next week. Thank you.